To start working with Jobin.cloud, you need data. How do you fill up your database so that you can use all of Jobin's great features? If you're coming from an old Excel sheet or you're transferring from a different service provider, as long as you have your data in a CSV format, we can very easily transfer all your data into Jobin. It's so easy, in fact, that you can even do it yourself in just 5 minutes. And if selecting all the fields from your CSV file and placing them into Jobin's respective slots seems too complicated, all you really need is a LinkedIn URL. Jobin provides an auto-updating feature, so even if completely devoid of any data, just selecting the contacts you want to update, and as long as they have a functioning LinkedIn URL, their profiles will be fully imported with the latest data available on their LinkedIn account. But wait, we've just imported the same CSV file twice. Or maybe you had duplicates within your CSV file to begin with. Not to worry, Jobin will automatically identify these duplicates for you and merge them to not only remove them, but also to combine any missing data. Importing contacts isn't limited to CSV files. You can, of course, also directly source contacts from LinkedIn, on command or automatically. This includes individual imports with access to some shortcuts for easy management. And if you're looking to import in bulk, you can both extract hundreds of new leads directly from search results and automatically import all your first connections with the press of a single button. The aforementioned will go through a pending import phase, so despite being imported in bulk, you can still easily manage, clean, and assign them to talent pools or jobs before importing them into your contact list. Everyone you import will be fully imported. No data is left behind. On the contrary, even data that you normally can't see also gets imported. All this so that when it comes to finding the right people, you have all the data available to make amazingly detailed filters. In fact, Jobin.cloud offers much more than simple Boolean searches that either show or exclude matching results, with no form of distinction between one another. Jobin.cloud introduces an entire candidate scoring system, so you can finally create a filter with every single minute detail necessary to find the ideal candidate, with the skills and expertise that you are looking for, or trying to avoid, without being afraid of no results showing up. The higher you score each criteria, and the more of them a profile matches, the higher they will rank once the filter is applied. But aside from easily finding who the best contacts are, there are multiple additional filters, like the locations filter, which requires none of the usual nitpicking because in addition to self-compiling fields, you can apply a radius, removing the need to manually list all cities close by, but most importantly, the filter that tells you how to contact them, which combined with the profile ranking and the bulk messaging, allows you to easily contact all the best people in just one click, including LinkedIn open profiles, which can be sent an inMail for free. As you can probably tell, contacts within Jobin can all be contacted in bulk, in multiple different ways, be it by inMail, message, or email. Every assignable value has a smart field, so even the most intricate messages can adapt to everyone you contact. All this with customizable templates, square bracket reminders, and missing smart field safety nets to prevent any bad first impressions. You can also send LinkedIn connection requests with or without a note, in bulk. Furthermore, Jobin.cloud is the only LinkedIn automation tool capable of completely bypassing LinkedIn's 100 weekly connection limit. All the pending invitations can also be withdrawn in bulk. Every interaction with a profile is logged in an events timeline, not only to remind you of who has already been messaged, but also to help inform all your workgroup colleagues, if you invited any, of the ongoing workflow, with, for example, pipeline movements. Speaking of pipelines, you can add job specs, each with an assignable and fully customizable pipeline, and much more, all with Jobin.cloud.